Hey YouTube, I'm doing this review for the Supreme Suspension Lift Shackles, the 2-inch. As you saw, the box looks pretty generic, and so do the contents, unlike the listing. The first thing that'll stand out to you is that the welding online looked so much better than it does in person. In fact, it looked professionally done in the listing, and it also showed laser etched silver writing on the side. So these lift shackles, usually they come with polyurethane bushings, right? Soft ones. But these are not very soft. They're pretty hard and dense. And I'd imagine that they'll crack a lot sooner than polyurethane would. In fact, polyurethane is what should be used here, and if this is polyurethane, there's barely any in there. It's really not flexible at all. It's like plastic. It included the mounting hardware, but it didn't come with the bottle opener, the air freshener, and multiple stickers. It only came with 2 cheap stickers, which don't match the description at all, and your 2 grease fittings, which one is covered in metal shavings. As you can see, the package has metal shavings all over inside. It's pretty cheap, very generic. I'm not even sure if I got what I paid for, but it came with this paper to prove, I guess, that these are Supreme suspensions. But giving you a close look, because what you see in the listing is not what you get. This is what it actually looks like. I spent a little more on this because it looked so much better in the listing, but it's really the same thing without the polyurethane bushings. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little review showing you the contents of the package. And so you can see here what the shackles look like before and what they look like after. And this is for a larger lift, this hole, and this is for a smaller lift. This is like 1.5, this is somewhere around 2 inches.